I say I believe in I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I believe that. I'm going down the stairs. It's not safe, but I'm taking my time with my laundry. I have my other laundry here in front of me. And I'm just slowly putting down one thing at a time like so. And I put this one like so. And I bang on my ass. Just like so. So I put this down like this. And we're going. I go down another step like so. And I'm using this foot that's okay. And this foot that's not okay. It's like that. We got to be careful because it gets slippery back here. So don't do what I do. It's not safe. I mean, I don't have to do this because my parents are coming over. Not my parents, but my mom is coming over and my sister. But if I could get started with some of these things, because I want them to water my garden. So if I do this, then it's less things for them to do. So anyways, we're almost at the bottom. Now there's a difference because my hands aren't broken, okay? So it's okay, my hands aren't broken, it's just my leg. Well, not even my leg, a few bones in the top of my foot. There's, I'm be not happy if I come down here, my phone is upstairs. But anyways, almost at the bottom, but basically at the bottom of the stairs just to stand up. And there it is. I did it. It's not that hard, but don't do what I do. See, I'm at the bottom of the stairs. We leave this foot still going and we put the pressure on this one and I hold on to the rail and I'm up. Oh, by the way, I'm looking for my phone. Of course, I have the phone making this video. So don't do what I do. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Don't worry about my stairs. I pulled the carpet off. I need to get new carpet on. But I'm not sure if I'm going to put the carpet on or I'm going to paint it. But right now, we're not worried about that. So yes, I make it downstairs. Miss you guys. It's day number, I don't know, I broke this on Wednesday. This is a couple days later. So I'm trying to get through. And I just push my crutches down and do that. So yeah. Laundry's downstairs, crutches downstairs. So I got one crutches. I'm going to get the other. And then all I'm going to do is use my crutches to push this. I have porcelain floor so you can see where it's like, it's easy to push the laundry basket on it. I've never had this much laundry, believe it. Overflowing into this bucket that's all busted trying to come down the stairs. But hey, it's from the Dollar Tree, who cares? And this one is my laundry basket. Now, Fiona wants to go outside. The door is right here. We open it. Hold on, Fiona, we gotta open this time door. Doors to open for Fiona. I gotta make sure I get this stick out the way. I was making a short. Next thing you know, I'm making this. So my flowers are coming in, guys. It rained just now, but for like 2 seconds. Go ahead, Fiona. And she's gone. And even though my yard isn't fenced in, it's very safe. Fiona knows her boundaries. So she's going to run around, do her business. And then she will come right back in. She'll come back actually to the kitchen door. So, yeah, because usually that's where I let her up. But by the time I tag to get over there, she's going to be mad. Imagine want to use the bathroom. Imagine want to use the bathroom and you got to wait on me to hop and 2 crutches to get over there. And I tell you, I'm still going to push my basket with me because I'm not going to try to do 2 walk back. Because the more I walk back, that's it. Once I go around here, I'll be down here for the day. My laundry room is right on the first floor. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. This was originally supposed to be a short, but since I'm here chatting with you guys, why not just keep going for about 5 minutes to keep you guys posted. And then make sure I lock this door because I won't remember. And then all I do like so, my crutches. Don't tell me that I'm leaning on it. I know I'm not supposed to lean on it, but right now I'm standing. So I'm putting the pressure under my armpit while I go. But once I got to put the phone down and keep it moving. I'll show you guys once I get to the laundry room. So now here I am. I make it to the garden. I'm just so into the garden. I made it to the laundry room. You guys remember this laundry room? If you haven't checked, it's a mess now. But if you haven't checked this laundry room makeover as yet, please go ahead and do so. But here is my laundry. We're here. we made it here. So we're gonna do laundry and try to get them folded, so by the time they get here, so by the time my mom and my sister get here, then I can have them bring it back upstairs for me, so I don't have to have laundry down here hanging out. So that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you're wondering, I'm doing okay. Some of my friends I say it's just a broken leg. Kind of slow me down, but I'm okay. I'm still getting little stuff done, like household stuff. Like I'm gonna get my laundry done. I'm still showering myself. I have walk-in bathroom on the first floor. You know, my hands work. I could still do my dish when I eat. I could still make a dinner, a meal. And it's not that I have to do it, but I'm very independent, and that's just me, and that's just me. It's not gonna change. So, like I always say, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now. I'll keep you guys posted, and go ahead and check out some of my other videos since I have nothing coming for you guys. But I keep you guys up to date with some shorts just to keep the channel going, okay? Thank you guys. Bye.